The purpose of this short presentation is to describe the main differences between the Yamaha Model U1 and the Model U3 upright acoustic piano. In reality, there's not a great difference. It mainly comes down to the height of the piano, which affects the tonal properties. Yamaha has mainly embodied the same components and built both pianos to the same quality standards, using the same materials, build techniques and same manufacturing team in the Japanese factory. So let's start with some of the generalities common to both models. There is and always been a huge demand for Yamaha pianos, and it's not by mistake that Yamaha has become the largest supplier of acoustical pianos in the West. Yamaha began piano manufacture as early as 1887, and throughout their very long history they have strived to equal the best of pianos manufactured throughout the world. In the late 60s, Yamaha doubly committed to producing a range of pianos that would rival some of the best German pianos of the day. Then throughout the 80s and 90s, their grand pianos, together with their U Series uprights, set new standards in consistent high quality build standards. As a result, this projected them into the world's well-deserved #1 piano sales slot. It is these pianos, generally built in the 80s and 90s, and some later ones, that we at the Piano Shop present as one of our most attractive offerings. At the Piano Shop in Bath, we have a showroom dedicated to Yamaha uprights, where we aim to always have a selection of Model U1 and U3 uprights. The U1 upright, being played now, was manufactured in the late 1980s. All U1 and U3 pianos will have been examined in our workshops, which will have included the soundboard, condition of the strings, hammers, mechanism, tapes, loop cords and casework, all in order to ensure that the instrument offers many future decades of satisfactory performance. Yamaha's U1 upright piano is the smallest in the U Series and can be thought of as the junior partner to the larger, more imposing U3. The main difference between the U1 and U3 is really just height. The U1 stands at 121 centimetres, that's 47.5 inches high, and the U3 stands at 131 centimetres, that's 51.5 inches high. There is always a certain amount of variability to be found with the playability of all pianos. The Yamaha upright U1 and U3s are consistent. However, we always recommend that a customer tries a piano before purchasing. In our showroom, you can compare the pianos next to each other in the same acoustical environment. This is the best way in which you, the customer, can appreciate the differences in touch and tone from bass to treble across all 88 notes. Both the U1 and U3 come with a middle damper practice pedal. With the U3 having a larger soundboard due to its extra height, longer bass strings can be accommodated, which allow for a deeper tone with greater volume. Having said that, it's only by playing them side by side that you can appreciate the subtleties of performance. Certainly the U3 is an imposing piano, and it may be important in a performing or teaching environment that the pianist needs to be able to look around the room and be seen. In this case, the U1 may be the best choice. When it comes to playing an upright that can compare with a grand piano in tonal range, then maybe the U3 might be the best choice. The majority of pianos in our showroom will be black ebony, but occasionally we have other finishes that enter our stock, Certainly, we'll be able to get whatever finish you wish for. We'd love to see you at the piano shop in Bath and help you choose the ideal piano for your needs.